In this video, I will be showing you how to enable dark mode in YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open up a new tab in my web browser and click on the address bar at the top. I type in youtube.com and press enter to navigate directly to the YouTube website. As the homepage loads up, you can see that the layout and interface are currently displaying in the default light theme. To change this, I navigate over to the top right corner of the screen and click on my profile icon. A drop-down menu appears with several account settings and options. I scroll down slightly and locate the appearance option, which is currently set to light. I click on Appearance Light to open the theme selection settings. Here, I see three options: Use Device Theme, Dark Theme, and Light Theme. To switch to the dark interface, I click directly on the dark theme. Immediately, YouTube refreshes and applies the dark mode theme across the entire website. As I scroll down the homepage, you can see that the background, navigation bars, feed containers, shorts section, breaking news area, and side panels are all displayed with a sleek, dark background. This makes watching videos in low-light environments much easier on the eyes and helps reduce eye strain. If you ever want to switch back to the light theme, the process is just as simple and fast. I scroll back up to the top right corner of the page and click on my profile icon once again to open the account menu. From the list of options, I click on Appearance, Dark. This brings back the appearance menu. To revert the changes, I click on Light Theme. YouTube instantly refreshes again and switches the interface back to the standard light theme. I scroll down the homepage to confirm that all sections, including the video recommendations, shorts, newsfeed, and playables, have successfully returned to the original light appearance. And that is all there is to enabling and disabling dark mode on YouTube. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.